The second theme for the festival is Devi Bhakti aspects in Sri Shyama Shastri's compositions. This theme was first presented in 2012 by Raji Krishnan. This presentation includes a special article, Shyama Shastri, the Devi Bhakta, written by Srimati Vidya Shankar in 1987. The article has been copied and quoted from Srimati Vidya Shankar's book titled Shyama Shastri's Compositions. Raji had received permission from the artist to make this presentation. Vidya Shankar is a Veena artist and is widely acclaimed as an authority on Shyama Shastri's works. She had the good fortune to learn directly from the great grandson of Shyama Shastri. And the article is very interesting, with in-depth presentation on Bhakti aspects of Shyama Shastri's compositions. The content of the 2020 festival brochure is a combination of prior years 2012, 2013 and 2018, with presentations on Shyama Shastri's life and contributions. The Devi Bhakti aspects of Shyama Shastri was first presented during Music Festival 2012, and this will be presented again as part of the virtual Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar Shyama Shastri Festival of 2020, including compositions from both years 2013 and 2018, along with the Ratnatrayam Swarajatis. Please enjoy the presentation, and we sincerely thank all the participants and artists who have participated in this festival with us for so many years, and we are very happy to be able to present this program virtually. Thank you. Dear friends, I'm Jayanti Ramaswamy. I'm honored to continue the recordings for the Music Festival on behalf of Geethamrita Music School. This is to continue with the Shyama Shastri brochure presentation of the Music Festival. It is auspicious that both Dikshidhar and Shyama Shastri brochures emphasize Parabhakti aspect of devotion to the Supreme. Both Dikshidhar and Shyama Shastri were great devotees of Divine Mother. Shyama Shastri also chose to praise Devi in all of his compositions. That was his theme. His spontaneous outpourings of devotion resulted in compositions filled with an abundance of emotion and musical richness. He was most comfortable with Vatsalya Bhava, referring to Goddess as Mother. It is said that Shyama Shastri gave Sri Vidya Upadesham to Muthuswami Dikshidhar. The two great composers met frequently and became good friends. It's believed that Saint Tyagaraja and Shyama Shastri were also good friends. His reverence for Saint Tyagaraja's music was so high that he sent his son Shubharaya Shastri to Tiruvarur to learn from Sri Tyagaraja. Shyama Shastri learnt Sampradaya Sangeetam under the influence of Pachimeriyam Adiyappa, composer of the famous Bhairavi Adathala Varnam. Shyama Shastri composed about 300 songs, of which only 71 are available today. He composed the three magnificent Swarajatis, collectively known as Ratnatrayam, which are replete with Ragabhava and capture intricate musical parameters. He was the only one among the Trinity composers to compose Varnams, Geetams and Swarajatis. Another distinct feature is that most of his Varnams have Muktai Swara Sahityam, and some of them have Chittaswaram Swahityam and Anubaddham. While most of his compositions are on Goddess Kamakshi and Bangaru Kamakshi, he composed a group of 9 kritis known as Meenakshi Navaratna Malika on goddess Meenakshi of Madurai temple. Shyama Shastri's famous compositions in ragams Ananda Bhairavi and Kalyani acquired new exalted status due to his bhava-laden compositions in these ragams. He also composed kritis in ragas like Manji, composition Bruvavamma, Chintamani, Devi Brova, and Kalgada Parvati Ninnu. His compositions are rich in conception and demonstrated the beauty in the use of intricate talas. He specialized in the use of Mishra Chapu and Viloma Chapu talas in different gatis such as Trisra Gati and Mishra Gati in his kritis. With the composition of Ragam Tanam Pallavi in a complicated thala, Shyama Shastri earned the title of Thala Prasthara Shyama Shastri. The three Ratnatrayam Twarajatis are magnificent compositions considered gems of Carnatic music. The three compositions are Bhairavi, Yedukal Kambodi, and Todi. These compositions are going to be presented in the festival today. There's a lot of information in this brochure regarding classification of Shyama Shastri's compositions. I'd like to share some details. Musical forms include 58 kritis, 3 Surajatis, 4 Varnams, and 5 Geetams. He composed in many languages, 50 compositions in Telugu, 15 in Sanskrit, and 5 in Tamil. Compositions praised several deities, especially Divine Mother. He had 39 compositions on Kamakshi of Kanchipuram and Bangaru Kamakshi of Tanjore, 8 compositions on Meenakshi in Madurai, 5 on Brihannayaki in Pudukkottai, 5 compositions on Akhilandeshwari in Tirumaneka, and 4 compositions on Dharmasambardhini in Tiruvayyaru, 4 compositions on Brihadamba in Tanjavur, 3 compositions on Neelayadakshi in Nagapattinam, 1 kriti on Muthukumara Swami in Vaidishwaran Koval, 1 composition on Varadaraja Perumal in Kanchipuram. He composed in several ragas, main ragas and rare ragas. He had 9 kritis in Kalyani, 7 in Ananda Bhairavi, 5 in Saveri, 4 in Paras and Todi, 3 in Bhairavi, Vegada, Punna, Gavarali, Madhyamavati and Gauli Bantu, 2 kritis in Purvi Kalyani, Varali and Chakrabarnam, 1 kriti each in Karnataka Kapi, Shri Ragam, Yedukula Kambodi, Jagan Mohini, Chintamani, Janaranjani, Lalita, Zaurashram, Riti Gaula, Kedara Gaula, Kalgada, Mukhari, Arabi, Nate, Manji, Neelambari, Natakuranji, Ahiri and Danyasi. He composed compositions on several thalas, 25 compositions in Adi Thalam, 17 in Mishra Chapu Thalam, 11 in Triputa Thalam, 5 in Rupaka Thalam, 3 compositions in Adi Trishanade, Matya Thalam, Jampa Thalam and Adathalam. So these are all the details on Shyama Shastri compositions. And we sincerely thank all the musicians and rasikas who have so eagerly participated in the presentation of the Shama Shastri Ratnatrayam Swarajitis and Kritis. We have been presenting several compositions through the years. For this year's presentation, we'll be presenting compositions from the year 2013 and 2018. And this has been a collective presentation organized by Srimati Nirmala Ramaswamy, director of Geetamrita Music School, and many of the local rasikas and artists have performed in this program.